Now friends, today topic is supply chain performance. Supply chain performance, to go for supply chain performance, why it is important. You see, in any of the organization, operation management and supply chain management both are very critical. First of all, we'll see what is supply chain. Supply chain is a group of supplier that provides us the raw material, manufacturer that gives us the final product, wholesaler, retailer, and then consumer. Then supplier, manufacturer, wholesaler, retailer, and consumer, it's a set of activities that makes the supply chain. Now, these members will create the activity of supply chain, and they will, as per their activity, we will judge the supply chain performance. Supply chain performance means supply chain capability. Supply chain capability means supply chain flexibility. Now, why we are looking for this performance? Why we are looking for this capability? Why we are looking for this flexibility in supply chain? Because of the challenges that supply chain will have to face. Challenges means that will ensure the feasibility, capability, and need of supply chain in our system. Now, supply chain challenges means, as we have studied in our last sessions, forecasting, product life cycle, inventory management. Now, supply chain challenges are very critical. Supply chain challenges means, you see, competition, regular competition in market, product life cycle that is very short product life cycle, lead time is very less, competition is high, inventory control is supply chain, and immediate reply to customer with the product, demand and supply chain visibility. These main important points which are the challenges in market, and these challenges can only be possible to handle with the performance of the supply chain. And this supply chain performance will only be possible in as per our expectation when there is a flexibility in supply chain. This flexibility will come from these members. How these members play a role, how supplier gives the material, how manufacturer makes the material, how distributor, wholesaler supplies this to consumer, so that the objective of supply chain means QQTC, quality, quantity, time and cost. When we make this quality of the product, quantity of the product, supply the material on time and with the minimum cost, as we all know, there are two types of supply chain. One is efficient and one is responsive. Efficient means low cost. Responsive supply chain means quick response. So supply chain performance will only be possible. What we want from supply chain performance, our supply chain should be flexible enough so that they will handle the supply chain challenges in market. When our supply chain flexible enough to handle the challenges in market, that will be the victory point of our system. That will only be possible if a proper coordination between supply chain members, that is called supply chain integration, a proper data-driven decisions, that is called supply chain analytics. So supply chain performance, flexibility and capability will be related to how our supply chain handles the challenges, and in that handling the challenges, our supply chain members plays a critical role.